Justin Timberlake now has a suspended license after a virtual appearance today in a Long Island courtroom. The Grammy winner faces a DWI charge after being arrested in Sag Harbor, New York back in June. Police say he blew through a stop sign and couldn't stay on the right side of the road. The arresting officer said his eyes were bloodshot and his breath smelled of alcohol, but Timberlake claims he only had one drink. Court documents show he refused to take a breath test 3 times, and Timberlake's lawyers claim he was not intoxicated at the time. CBS News New York reporter Jennifer McLogan joins us now from Long Island. Jennifer, the singer's on tour. He joined the hearing virtually. What happened and why did the judge suspend his license?
Lindsay, good afternoon. So nice to be with you. We are on the east end of Long Island. This is a historic and quaint former whaling village of Sag Harbor. I was one of about 15 reporters that crowded into this very small municipal court just kitty corner across the street as the up these winding kind of rambling steps, getting inside, and sure enough, the judge approved one still camera in the courtroom. So Justin Timberlake comes on the video screen, extremely polite. He looked to be in possibly a hotel room in Germany where he is on tour. He spoke to the judge. I'm pleading not guilty, Your Honor, to 1 count of DWI. And you mentioned that it happened right here on Main Street as he was leaving the famed American hotel where he allegedly had a martini or martinis, got into that 2025 BMW, was going down the street when, as you mentioned, Lindsay, the Sag Harbor police officer pulled him over and he refused a breathalyzer.
What's next for Timberlake?
The judge wants him to appear again, possibly via virtually, depending on his location, August 9th, and then said he's kind of fed up with all of the virtual situations, and he wants him possibly in the courtroom. And this time he gave a firm date of September. His defense attorney had been speaking with media quite readily after some of these court proceedings, but this time the judge said, I frankly want to put a gag order on you, although he didn't, for speaking so readily to the media. I want to keep this court and this court of law in a very favorable light. The attorney came out and spoke very briefly and said he doesn't think that Justin will have to appear in person, but with all the tourists here in town, it would be a mob scene for sure.
How is the community reacting?
Well, they're buzzing. We're getting stopped here, there, and everywhere. There's some officers kind of keeping the peace right now, but this is a beautiful, wonderful village, and on a Friday, you can imagine it's very busy. The locals are kind of sick of Justin Timberlake. There's some artists who have a rendering of his mugshot plastered in some of the windows. At a local village vote last month, one person entered Justin Timberlake for mayor, but the tourists are all excited. Is Justin Timberlake here? And we're trying to say, no, he's in Germany. And they seem to be piling onto his website, wishing him well.
Okay, Jennifer McLogan, thank you.